Just disturbing somebody. Don't know what kind of this thing. Odimegu, because sorry, don't be offended. There's a job I want you to do for me. I want you to go to my mother's farm. Pack all the cassava that has been uprooted there. Carry it to your barrel and go and drop it for my mother. Once you're done, I'll pay you.
No problem. I will hurry and go. But let's talk about how much you pay me first.
Odimegu, you too like money. Hey! So how much do you want to collect? How much will you take now?
2,000.
Huh?
2,000.
2,000? Clear.
Not the demand.
Just to go and pack cassava at my mother's farm that you are calling 2,000. This cassava I'm telling you has been uprooted. You don't need to go there and farm. Sorry. The only thing you are doing is to pack the cassava, put it in your barrel and take it to my mother. You know I seen 2,000. If I dash you 2,000, can you count it?
I'm no longer interested though, so you have to go and do the work yourself.
Why you dey vex? Why we say what people now too they quick vex? Small thing I don't they charge. Why you dey angry? How much will you collect last?
2,000.
You gonna sit now? Well, let me give you 1,000.
The last price is 2,000.
2,000.
2,000. If you're not paying, let me go.
It's okay. Just go and carry the cassava and drop it for my mother. Make sure you drop it at our place. So once you are done, I'll pay you your money.
You will pay me my money?
I
don't want problem.
I don't owe you before.
Okay.
Go and pack it now.
I don't want problem.
I will give you your money.
Okay.
The farm is this way.
Okay.
No
problem.
Pack everything, no.
I know one problem.
Yeah. Okay, I say I go pay you your money. Okay. Go and carry the cassava. Oh, let me go and see Babuji. Always comes at last. Always comes at last. What's a marife? Choi gaji baron weguru. Ibabuchi.
Yeah. Babe. How far now?
Okay, I'm fine.
Okay, cut off. You okay now? What is it?
I want to ask you for a favor. First of all, how are you?
I'm good, as you can see. Go ahead and ask me whatever you want to ask me, okay?
My mother asked me to go to her farm.
Okay.
To bring her cassava for her. But then I contacted somebody else to do the job. Okay. But I promised him that I was going to pay him some money. But I don't have enough money to give to him.
So how much are we talking about?
2,000 naira. Yeah, so I know it's big, but if you see the way I begged him, I begged him to collect 1,000 naira. I was pleading and pleading.
Just 2,000 naira.
Or 2,000 kickball just. Nam.
You know what? Whatever work your mother wants you to do in the farm, just call a laborer. I'll always pay.
Hi! Ibiakwa. Ibiakwa. Obanka.
Oh, Bobo.
Bobanka.
Come by me, Pota. I will shock you.
You shock me?
Right now. I'm coming.
Is it 2,000 you're traveling to go and bring?
Hold on.
Yeah. So 2,000 gone out by any move. Let's give you 2,000 from his pocket. But this was the name was very wicked. Can he charge 2,000 just to go and carry cassava from the farm to my mother's house?
Baby.
Opanka.
Sometimes try and pet me. Call me some pet names like Oppie.
Hi, Oppie. Oppie.
Say it again.
Oppie.
That money is for you. Take it.
Why are you lying now? Be serious.
You don't want 2,000
again? No, but wait.
Bulu the cash.
Opanka.
Bulu the cash.
Where did you get this money from? This is a lot of money now.
Baby, stop asking questions. Bulu the cash. Okay? It's for you.
Hey!
Aye.
Hoppy! Chimo! Look on Casey where? Open fake.
No, we don't deal with fake.
The way you see Namdi Azikiwe times 2. Chimo! Hoppy! You run at that farm. This how I'll build the baby.
I know you know how to sing. Time, harmonize that Hoppy. Say, Hoppy.
Hoppy.
Always comes at last. What a marife, choi gaji baron we guru ijo. Always comes at last. Make good friends ijo. Always comes at last. Have you seen what you've cost yourself?
This
a bitter end,
just wondering how hellfire is going.
Sorrowful end, evil communications, corrupt good manners. Be wise and know the kind of friends.
No, I'm back. Good afternoon.
What's your problem?
Nothing.
I thought you ran to bring our cassava.
Mama, are we still on this cassava issue? Eh? Which one is cassava? Mama, look at me now. Take a good look at me. How do you expect me to be walking along this village? Just along this road, carrying cassava on my head. Do I look like one of those girls that are carrying cassava? Mama, no. Just calm down, they'll bring your cassava to you.
You have paid somebody to bring it. That cassava that will not fill a basin.
Mama, Shebi is your cassava you want. Hey, calm down, your cassava is coming. It's coming.
The cassava is coming. Chisom, you are never like this. Why are you this lazy?
Mama, I am not lazy. For once, you rest. You will soon have high BP. Mama, rest.
God forbid.
Every time we are shouting, if it's not fighting, we are quarreling. Mama, let's have peace now.
Not again, don't worry.
Mama, now you are talking.
Not again.
Let's have peace today.
Let's rest for today.
Let peace reign.
We'll rest.
Thank you, Mama.
Let us rest.
Let's rest.
Chisom, let's rest.
Mama, this is your rest. What has him?
Are you?
No, Mama, it's okay.
We're resting.
Let's rest, Mama.
But the cassava will come.
Mama, the cassava is coming.
You were told, but you refuse to listen. Now
thank you.
You just where you
need a blue ring for me and you.
Always comes at last. You chose to live wrongly. Now you ended wrongly, my dear. Always comes at last. If forgive him, always comes at last.
Who is here? Who is selling? Oh.
Come, Bianwokem. What is the meaning of this? Eh? Why are you making noise in my ears? Is it because someone dashed you money, you're now flaunting it for the whole village to see? Ipatagego, Pato Zolora.
Ekwensocha. Why can't you mind your business? Is it your money? No. Not my money.
Nah, sorry, Lapia. Don't mind her, she's jealous of you. Ask her when last she saw new notes like this. What do you want to buy? What do you want? Don't mind her.
Give me a bottle of Coke and bread. Fast.
Give me your money. Nah, these your new notes are fine, Let me see. Let me see.
May I let you see?
Let me touch shine money now. Eh? No more phones now.
Ezigezi.
I'll give it back to you.
Okay.
Let me just see. I've been looking for shine money. Shine money. Shine. Who gave you this money? Who gave you the money?
It's Chisom. She has plenty of them. Do you want?
Who is Chisom?
Lady Slice Child.
Let me change it for you.
New money.
Let me change the money for you. I like new money.
You like new money? I like new money too.
Don't worry, I'll add to it. Please, let me change for you.
It's not possible.
Come, what's in the worry you now? What's wrong with you both? Huh? Why body the sweet una because they wanna see mint? Madam, if you want new money, go to the city and make yours. Go and hustle.
Come, Ego.
ABS Dara na village.
Come, respect yourself. Stop putting your mouth in matters that does not concern you. Who called you now? Nah, go, enjoy your bread and coke. You don't want to give us your shine money. Bye, nothing is your business. You want to choke your mouth. Bye.
Wait, did you guys see what I saw?
Okay. Move that way. Chisom, enter, move that way.
Mama.
Who gave you this money?
Mama, so it has gotten to the point you now go into my room to search for what you did not.
Will you shut your mouth? Shut it up! Shut up! Shut it up! Close it! In fact, zip it up! Where do you work that I need this kind of money?
Mama, I'm hustling now.
You're hustling? Where?
The factory.
Which factory? Nanjakat? Innocent Industries?
Mama, it's my money now. Look at me, am I not old enough to have that kind of money? Why are you shouting?
The other day I asked you to go and bring our cassava. You sent Otumegu and you paid him off. Just like that. Money from the central bank. Fiam. You gave him money. Chisom.
Mama.
Chisom.
Mama, I'll leave this house. Mama, stop disturbing me. I'll leave this house. Mama, I'll leave this house.
Of course, leave the house so that you go to Bush's house, where you commit all sorts of sin. Yes, all sorts of sin. Chisom, whatever you plant, you will do what? Whatever you plant, you will do what, Chisom? You are not answering me. Whatever you plant, you will do what? Stand there. If you move, I'll follow you. If you think you are a jet, if you move, I follow you.
Mama, I'm here.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
Chisom, whatever you sow, you shall do what?
You shall reap.
Very good. Reap whatever you sow. And off here, you are getting money. You are packing them. See how they are shining from the central bank into the house, and you have the guts to ask me what I'm doing in your room. You ask me that thing again, I will remove those things in your mouth you call teeth. And off here. Hustler. Innocent industry. Oh, you want to hustle to some me? There are two different types of hustling. Those ones that they hustle and then they jump along with the men. Or the other type, they also innocent. I will show you in this house. Be very careful.
Just to reap where you never sow. Always comes at last. You chose to live wrongly. Now you ended wrongly, my dear. Always comes at last. If forgive
Nature, man. Police is still insisting that we allow them to finish the investigation before we can bury the little girl.
Is this how police do their work? How long will it take them to do their investigation? Eh? That's a story. We are not going to wait for them again. If the little girl is not buried, the wound will still be fresh on all of us.
Ngozi, we have to wait. Our in-law will soon be here. And his first fruit won't be buried without him being present. So we have to wait.
Where is Choma?
She has gone back to Lagos to look after her other kids. I am just worried. The little kids will ask their mother about their sister. What will she tell them?
Ozugbo nature, man. It's okay. Stop crying.
That
you
their
have cried
sister,
enough.
their sister that came to stay with their grandmother was shot dead by a careless bullet. Is that so? Oh yeah, what?
You have cried enough. It's all right. Eh?
Oh, Baba Ngozi, Baba Ngozi. Baba Ngozi, you're not going to come here, Burudo Biko. How am I going to face them? How am I going to face my grandchildren? Face their father?
Papa, the food is ready. And it's your favorite too.
Ichiruka, take it and go and keep it. I don't need it.
Papa, not again. You have been starving yourself since this incident happened. You barely eat food. We all shall not die and join Ozioma. Bikon, at least take something.
You don't understand. That girl lying cold in the mortuary is my mother reincarnate. That is the reason my late brother gave her Ozioma, my mother's name. He died a few years after her birth. They just waste her for nothing.
Yes, I do understand. It's a painful death. She's my blood too. But the only thing I know is that whosoever that is involved in this will never go free. Never. Oh, Papa, please. Please eat now. One spoon is enough. For Papa, Bikon.
I want you to take this food inside. When I am in need of it, I will send for it. But for now, I want you to call Ibuka for me.
Papa, it's unfair. It's unfair. Almost 2 days now. Okay, let me call him for you.
Wasted and
Uncle, good evening, sir.
Aha, Ebuka.
Sir?
Please just get a chair.
Okay, sir.
Now you are crying. Now you wanna see her back when you've wasted her life.
Uncle, you called me.
Ebuka.
Sir?
Are you aware you are the first son of this whole family? Are you aware of that?
Yes, I know, Uncle.
Good. What effort have you made to see you hurry the police in their investigation for the burial of your niece?
Uncle, I've been going to the mortuary and I was able to talk to one of the attendants. And he promised to take good care of her body.
Ebuka, so you can't go to the police and ask them how far they have gone with the procedures as the first son?
Uncle, Ozioma's death is something we can all see as one of the mystery of life. I am waiting for my in-law. Once he comes back, the both of us will go to the police and sort it out. But for now, I can't go to the police station because I'm not the father of the child.
One day more, one day more, one day more. Aririo. One day more, one day more.
Obanga, we need to give Ebuka something from this our last operation. We can't keep it all to ourselves. Hmm?
Your idea is not bad. It's not bad at all. Like, how much are we going to give to him?
I was thinking we'll give him 200,000. You bring 100,000 and I bring 100,000. Hmm?
Okay. I'll call and make it sure. Okay?
Okay.
At least you contribute in burying his niece. Hmm? That money will be enough for him to buy a coffin and burial cloth.
That's true. What will be our own contribution now?
What is my business? Am I the one who killed her? What's that now? Don't make this look as if we have hand in this. So I better call him first.
Wasted and innocent girl who love you so much. Ebuka, Ebuka no one mere. The only thing she did is loving you. Now you are crying. One day more, one day more, one day more. One day more, one day more. Now you wanna see her back when you've wasted her life. Upon where I got one. Oh,
We decided to call you here just to give you your own share of the money which we got from the last job we did. We couldn't call you for the job because of what you're passing through. Okay? We know that you're seriously passing through a lot. And we also heard that your in-law will be coming back from abroad. And I want us to know that it's just the three of us that knows about this. And it shouldn't leak. Please.
Ebuka, chill out. Take it easy. Crying will not solve this. Crying will not bring her back. Okay? This 200,000 I decided to give to you. We both contributed 100,000. Have it. At least you can buy caskets for your niece from there. It was a mistake. You're the one that shot her, but at least you can use that to contribute towards her burial. Oh. Take it easy. Stop.
I should have listened to my mother. I should have listened to Shoma Wanebu. I should have listened to Chechibai. Now you people are advising me on how to buy caskets and bury my niece. Jalulu. I don't need your money. I don't need your 200,000. My niece Osioma Wanebu will be buried and rest in peace. Osioma Wanebu, you know how much I love you. Please, I don't want you to call me for anything again. Just move on. I don't want your friendship again. Just move on. Just allow me to deal with my sins. If I survive this, I will listen to my mother. I will listen to my mother and the Shoma Wanebu.
It was a mistake. I mistakenly shot her.
I know how much I love you. I love you. I want to go home my way.
Ebuka, take it easy, Ebuka. Should we follow him? Should we go with him? Ebuka.
No, Chalo one. Nerves here, come on. You can say Chalo one. Yeah, come on, nerves.
Hi. It was a mistake. He mistakenly shot her. It wasn't intentional now.
You didn't know, bro. One near Wazico. Yeah?
What's going on? I saw Ebuka shedding tears as he was leaving this place. Is everything okay? What happened?
Are you not aware that the niece is still in the mortuary?
Of course I'm aware. Is that the reason a grown-up man will be walking and crying along the road? I mean, this girl has died a long time ago and has even been kept in the mortuary, awaiting her father's return.
Ebuka is hurt. They were very close. And I spoke to him about it a few minutes ago and he couldn't take it. He just started crying and he has to leave. Even me too. I have to go. I'll see you guys later, okay?
Is that the kind of life you chose to live?
Mwana, take care, huh? Yeah. Oh, I feel sorry for him as well, but you people need to help him, eh? Console him.
Waiting, you know, big pass you. Be one, be one, be one, be one. So you don't regret at last. Better be wise, oh. Be one. Think twice.
Sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm not feeling too fine, sir.
What's the problem? Huh? You're not feeling fine? Then why are you walking in the sun and you're not feeling fine?
My mother asked me to go and buy this oil for her so she can finish what she's cooking.
Oh, that's good. I know you're a good girl. I know you're a wife material. But what happened? I've been calling you. You're not taking my call. I've been calling your sister. She's not taking my call. What's the problem? I hope you girls are not seeing me like a village tout. I'm no tout. I'm an international business mogul. I'm a graduate of animal science. I read up to master's degree, PhD. I hope you're not seeing me as a village tout.
No.
Have you heard of Takwa Bay? I live in Takwa Bay. Takwa Bay is near the moon. I run Takwa Bay. As a matter of fact, I speak 40 languages. I've lived in like 25 European countries. So you know who's talking to you right now, right? So if you know me, you rush to that phone each time to check if I've called. So why have you not been taking my calls?
I'm sorry, sir. You don't have to blame me. You know the phone is not mine. It belongs to my sister and I only have access to it when she gives it to me. And most of the times when you call, she's always on call with her boyfriend. She doesn't give me the phone.
That means I need to get you a new phone. I'll buy you a phone. What kind of phone do you want?
You don't asking me that one.
No, tell me, any kind of phone you want, I'll buy you a phone.
I'm a beggar. A beggar has no choice. Anyone you buy for me, I will take.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. You know Avionic Hotel at Obi Gentle Junction.
Yes, I know.
Come there tomorrow. I'll give you a phone, okay?
Tomorrow?
Yeah. That's what's
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I will come tomorrow. Thank you. Let me go and give my mother the oil. Thank you.
I spend money on you. Huh?
Thank you.
Spend money on you.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
That's what's up. Say hi to Mama for me.
I will.
Tell her the international business mogul is saying hi.
I will.
Tell your sister, International Chief Chude is saying hi.
Hey, Chief.
Hi, Chief Chude is saying hi.
Chief.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Chief, thank you. God bless you, sir.
God bless you too.
Chief. Thank you, sir.
Better be wise, oh. Think twice, so you don't regret at last. Never molest the innocent.
Wow. God. See the way Ego hugged me. I felt her two oranges so tight to me. Hey. See how happy she was just because I promised I was going to buy her a phone. Should I buy her an iPhone or ordinary phone? I need to buy her a phone. But come to think of it, if I buy her a phone, that means, man, she's going to give everything to me. Just the promise and she's this happy. What if I give her the phone? Hey, man, today, you don't hammer, you don't catch this one, man. See shape.
Never molest the innocent.
I will tell my guys.
It's fearful and dangerous. Their cries and pains reach God. It has a way to fight you back.
You said Chisom is having some money that you don't know about.
Yes.
How did it happen?
It all started the day I asked her to go to the farm and bring cassava seedlings. You know my husband's farm now?
Yeah, the one very close to this.
Yes. I thought she had gone. Only for me to see Odumegu with the cassava. I know Odumegu.
With the job man.
Yes. And you know what he said? He said Chisom paid him 2,000 naira to bring that cassava.
You are not telling me the truth.
Yeah. The next day I was looking for something. and I saw new notes of over 20,000 naira. I confronted Chisom. She could not deny it. She could not defend it. Where does she work? That she earns such amount of money? Where does she work? What does she do? What does she sell? Ma'am, I hope Chisom has not started sleeping around with men porously.
But why would Chisom be giving you so much trouble? Why can't she go to the farm, work, do something useful with her own life? What's wrong with this girl?
You are my only brother. And that is why I run to you every day to see what I am seeing. Come Juken again. Should I tell the sisters?
Oh, no. Please, don't go there. Don't disturb those ones who are useful to themselves. Yes, they are useful to themselves and they have future. They are taking good care of their own homes. Don't disturb them, please. Yeah? At least not because of Chisom. This Chisom? No. But let me tell you, Chisom is an adult. And whatever she brings upon herself, she will carry with her own head. By the way, where is she now?
Chisom.
Yeah.
She left this morning without even sweeping this compound. She woke up and walked away. That one will go into a man's house, Abby.
Hey.
She will go into a man's house as a wife. Like this, with this useless attitude that she has. Yeah.
Anyway, it's okay. Don't bother yourself. Once she comes back to this house, tell her to come and see me. Okay. I'll be waiting for her.
I will.
Eh? Don't worry. Hey.
Panka, you see how early I came to your house? That money you promised me, that's what I came to collect.
Baby, when is this event coming up?
Very, very soon. Every other person has made their own dress. I'm just the only person left. And I need to pay and collect the material, give it to my tailor so that I can be ready before that day.
Must you buy it today?
Eh? When will I buy it? When Jesus comes? Yeah. Maybe I need to buy. Moreover, I'm going to Onitsha. So it's just better I take the money as I'm going to Onitsha market today and buy everything at once.
So how much are we talking about now?
Honestly, I don't know.
Okay. See what will happen now. I don't have cash with me here now, but once you're ready to go to the market, come. I'm married and go.
Up him.
Naples.
If you don't want. Let me go before my mother wakes up.
Okay.
You know that woman, even at night, she still keeps her eyes open.
No,
Let me rush. That's nothing.
Maka,
this morning I came to ask from you, Kena.
I
am not doing. Moreover, you have not brushed your mouth. Your mouth is still smelly. Let me just.
You just to reap where you never sow. Always comes at last. You chose to live wrongly. Now you end up.
Mama, good morning.
Yeah, you coming through?
I am. I went to check my clothes at the tailor's house.
Chisom, you woke up at 6 a.m. and you sneaked out of this house. What is wrong with you? Which tailor is awake at 6 a.m.? Chisom, you have changed.
Mama, I did not change. I did not change. You remember our youth program now, the church youth program that's organized by the Reverend Father? I just said, let me go and make sure that my clothes is ready. You know, a lot of people gave that tailor the same dress. If I don't go in the morning, other people will come before me. So I said, let me go and check and make sure that my clothes is ready. That's why I left that early. When you want to You said I should go to church. That's what I'm trying to do now, Mama.
Chisom, you have bought the clothes. Where did you get the money from?
Mama, which one is where did I get? So somebody cannot do something for me. Mama, leave me alone. You are stressing me in this house. Oh. Don't you know that I've grown? Mama, Biko, just leave me alone. Ha.
Chisom, you have grown. Okay. It's all right.
Well, let me help you do the coconut. It's more time now. You got to report me to Uncle Wando. I don't used to do anything for you in the house.
Yeah, exactly. He was here. He was here just now. Yes, and he asked me to tell you to come and see him. So you better go and see him now before he comes back again. You know when he comes back, you know what will happen to you.
So I will go.
You will go.
Mama, coconut, it's ripe, or is it unripe?
No, it's ripe. Hey, ripe or unripe. Coconuts is ripe or unripe. Anyone you want.
Mama, when you know move, just one. This coconut is fresh.
You can go.
Small. Now you too they do. You want me to coconut to carry.
Chisom, take this one, take this one. This one that you can go. Make sure you can meet my brother.
I'll go and see him.
Yes, I will not give you the one that I've done because I know you will not do that. Come on, take knife. Take knife.
Thank you, Mama. I'll go and see him later.
You bought the cloth. You woke up 6 a.m. Go and look for a tailor that will wake up 6 a.m. Chisom!
It seems you're going out.
Yes, I want to go out and go to the POS and get the money to give to you. But since you're here, let's go together. Come on, let's go.
Go where? Have you forgotten my uncle? That one that moves around this village like who doesn't have any work to do. You know that man doesn't sit in one place. If I go with you now, he might just see us together.
Now your uncle, he's just a Johnny Walker.
Ajala the traveler. I can see me a brand ambassador of Johnny Walker.
Okay. Then wait for me. Let me go and get it. I'll be back
sit here and
soon.
wait for you.
I'll be back soon. Okay? I'm
Go on.
coming.
Oh, be careful, oh.
I know always comes at last.
Yeah, I'm calling. Well done. Hope it's hot. No, I'll call you. It's hot, huh?
Very, very.
You hot?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Any of that?
Don't worry. This is okay, okay? Today is my day. Today, you know who today is in this village. Go in there. Take one plate of pepper soup. Take a bottle of malt. Enjoy yourself on me. Okay.
Good afternoon.
Oh, baby. Okoli! Bring chair, bring chair. How are you? What do you want to drink? Huh? So that also what do you want?
I don't want.
Go take something now.
To take something. We have pepper soup, we have plenty drink. What? Can take anyone. It will pay now.
Yeah, take something. Okoli, bring pepper soup and malt for her. That's my girl. No, drink something now. Bring pepper soup and malt. Let me tell you something, huh? See, you should eat my money. Eat 2 days' money. You know, in this village, girls, they line up to eat my money. I spend money. Do you know what today is? Why your mama? Hi!
My high chief.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're so pretty. It's money. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourself. Mainly looking at you, you should go for Big Brother World. Not that local Big Brother Nigeria or Big Brother Africa or Big Brother World, where countries like Italy or Czech Republic will host, where you see the most beautiful girls in the world. I know you will win. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. I travel too much. I know too many countries. Sorry, I'm mentioning too many things.
My love, seems you know too many countries.
You don't know Chude, High Chief Chude, international business mongo. See, I rule Takwa Bay, the most beautiful country in the world. I am the king of Takwa Bay. See, I have traveled around the nooks and crannies of the world. I know everywhere in this world. Do you want more pepper soup?
No,
I want.
no, I want to be fast with
Where's
this
your
one.
templates now?
I want to be fast with this one so that my mother will not come back before me.
Your mother? You are a very nice person. You are a very homely. You are a wife material. Hmm? Oh. Should they? See, I like girls that respect their mother. That's my weak point. As you said that in my heart just go. Oh my baby. For that, let me surprise you. Huh? I bought you a brand new phone. You're dealing with an eye chief. Do you have SIM card?
Thank you.
That's what I do. That's where I enjoy my money. Okay?
Thank you.
Hope you have the SIM card.
Once I get home, I will insert my SIM and call you so you can have my number. Thank you.
This was sad. So you know what to do? I'll surprise you more.
I love you.
I love you too, baby. I'll buy this phone I'll buy a brand new phone for all the elders of your kindred. When you get home, tell everybody that I, Chief Chude, will give them brand new phones.
Hi, Chief.
I'll make it rain.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too, baby.
I love you.
I love you. Chop money. Hello?
Hello, good morning, sir. It's me, Ego.
Ego? How are you, Ego?
I'm fine, thank you. This is my number. I decided to call you with it so you can call anytime you want.
Okay. I'll call you, okay? Where are you?
I'm going to see my pastor. So I thought I should hear from you.
Okay, that's nice of you. Thank you very much. I'll call you much later.
Okay. I miss you.
You miss me. I miss you too, Ego. I miss you too. I miss you so much. Huh?
No, wait. When are we seeing again?
When do you want to see me?
Just call me anytime you want.
Okay, I'll call you, okay? Bye.
Waiting you no big pass you.
She miss me. Finally, she's mine.
Better be wise, oh. Think twice, so you don't regret at last. Never molest the innocent. It's fearful and dangerous. Their cries and pains reach God. It has a way to fight you back. Never molest the innocent. It's fearful and so dangerous.
What's the problem again?
I'm tired of this life. How can one explain that coming to this world is for a passage? I read a speech written by late Abiliket of Umunze, Igwe Matthias Nwafo Ugochukwu, where he wrote that we are all travelers on this earth, that when we get to our bus stop, we will come down. Osioma, as little as she is, has gotten to our bus stop. And this is applicable to all mortals. We should all be careful. You are right. Because there is this Anglican hymn that says, between life, we are in death. Just look at how a beautiful and intelligent young girl's life was wasted just like that. I can't believe this. I can't. I'm just coming back from the mortuary where I went to see the mortician. He took me around and showed me Ozioma's body. And he said to me, don't worry, I am taking very good care of her body. I saw where the bullet penetrated her. Ozzy, one more. Stop crying now, please. He has even filled it with something. Oh my God. I saw dead bodies everywhere. They were even lying on top of each other. In Kiru. Now I know this life has no meaning. What are the killings for? The backbiting, the greed, rituals, frauds, government embezzling funds, politicians who value their pockets more than the life of citizens. All this will end in the mortuary. Then 6 feet. Someday we will all face judgment. You know, we shall all pass through this selection road one day. But the truth is, how clean and pure you made your life. The killer of Ozioma might think, he or she might think that he has escaped from it. But God will surely, like God, will surely arrest the person. Please stop crying, please. I'm begging you, please. When you wasted
This one that you're seated here all alone. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Where are you going to?
Well, I'm going to your house to see your sister Uche. You know, since the death of your niece, I haven't seen her to commiserate with her. I'm so sorry for your loss.
It's okay. God knows the best.
All right. I'm sorry to ask, and I hope I'm not bothering you. I haven't been seeing you at your friend's place. Is everything okay? Are you guys quarreling?
Not at all. I used to, but not like before. Just that I'm busy with some things this time around.
All right. Let me go. Let me go and see Uche. But you're sure everything is fine?
Now you wanna see her back when you've wasted a life. Upon where I got one. Oh,
Hello? Gafa. What you doing now? Guys, start coming here now. Start coming here now. Those girls will soon be here. Eh? Start coming. Guy, it's not easy to buy a phone worth tens of thousands of naira for a girl. Oh. You know now. They start coming. See Mugu. You're talking about Chisom. I swear you be Mugu. I want to give you a girl that's 10 times better than Chisom. I beg, come, I beg. Range Global Hotel. Range Global Hotel. Room 211. Yeah, come, I'm waiting for you before they come. I'm waiting for you for those girls. Come, I beg, quick. Yeah, my guy. Okay. Man. This is gonna be fun. Brother.
Opanka, welcome.
What's up, man? My nigga, man. How you doing?
The son of the honorable.
Opanka, you're welcome.
I'm really enjoying here, man.
Opanka, welcome.
Oh, wow, this is what they holler Opanka. You know me before?
No,
I don't see him before.
No, this is my first time seeing you. Just that your friend could not keep your name off his mouth. He kept shouting, Opanka, my friend is coming. Opanka, my friend is coming.
It's Opanka.
Onne.
The heir to the throne of the honorable. Opanka. Honorable Junior.
My guy, leave that throne something, eh? We're not here for a throne, man. Yeah? These girls are beautiful. No, I can't get one.
These are our girls. Beautiful girls. But let me warn you, this is yours. Stay away from mine.
I like this girl.
Yeah, enjoy. That's yours.
I know you ain't got. You little money, I talk about. Babe.